Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm coming today to share with you about Candy's Card Club. So, I wanted to talk to you to see whether this is something that would be a good fit for you. And I'm going to share with you the details of that club. So, each month I create a set of 8 cards, and they are centered around a single stamp set. So, I'm going to, just as an example, I'm going to give you last month, which would be, well, actually, the February card club. So I created these 8 cards, and in Candy's Card Club, you receive all of the supplies to create these 8 cards, plus some extra supplies. So this is how the package looks when it comes to you. Everything is sorted in here, and it has a little label on here and a QR code. That's so that if you want to come back to this packet later on, maybe you don't want to make the project straight away, well, you have that QR code, which is a really quick and easy route to finding all of your tutorials. Now, you're also going to get an email from me that gives you the link right away as soon as I mail these out. But this is the way they come. And so let me just show you what the February kit included: a half a pack of this beautiful Forever Love Designer Series paper. And then there was also the 8 card packets come like this. So everything is sorted and ready to go, so that when you open this card packet, everything is in here. All of your die cuts and everything are ready to go. So all you have to do is stamp and assemble, put together. Now, with this packet, you got your 8 project packs. Then you also got a package of these gems, and sometimes you get a whole roll of ribbon. Sometimes you get, like this, in this case, you got 2 yards of ribbon. So it just kind of depends on the package, because you're going to get about $25 in product on top of all of your project kits. Now, you're going to use these products on your projects. And the only thing that you will need to prepare for this is to cut the designer series paper. And I give you really easy cuts. They're really easy to follow, and they're very duplicatable, so you can use them on future projects. You also, of course, get PDF tutorials for all of your projects, and there's 8 different projects here. And typically, I'm going to give you at least one set of fun folds. So this is my fun fold set for February. So all of this comes with first class shipping, and it's only $39 for Candy's Card Club members. I also have a new feature I've just started recently, and it's a little goodie that comes in your packet. So you have these 8 cards, and then you're receiving, or you get the 8 card packets. You're also receiving a little pillow gift. So the one that I did for February is right here, and here is a little, it's enclosing one of these little honey packets. So what I chose was one of the images from Everyday Details, which is the bundle that I was featuring. And I chose the little teacup image to do just a little cute 3D project. And this shows you another way to use your packet, or at least the stamp set that's included. And I'm specifically, intentionally going in a different direction from the packet. So this packet uses these really lush, rich colors. I went super bright on this. That's intentional. Although it would look really cute if this matched, what I'm wanting to do is stretch your creativity and help you find other ways to use maybe other color palette to use the same stamps. So this was just a little piece of designer paper, a little piece of cardstock. Actually, this is a die cut. And so this is a very duplicatable project that comes in with all of your packet. And this is done for you. It's just a little cute gifty to just love on you, as well as to kind of show you another way to use the featured stamp set. So when you do 6 months consecutively, you do get a product bonus from me. And that product bonus is about $25 in value. Now, this is what the one looks like that went out this month. And so I typically have it in a little organza bag just to make it nice and easy. And it's a little gift. So I want it to be in a little gift packaging for you. So this had a cute little, what we call affectionately a pokey tool. And this has a little sharp tip here, great for lifting mini glue dots, great for poking out little fine pieces from die cuts. Lots of fun things you can do with this. There was also a brand new set of paper snips, and this has a cute little scissor charm on it. And these are handmade by one of my studio helpers. She's super creative and does beautiful things for me. This is one of the newer embellishments. This is the Dragonflies and Birds from the online exclusives. Nice flat embellishments to use on your projects. And then there's also a brand new chamois. Some people don't have one. Even if you already have one, you can always use an extra. So I try to include things that I know anybody would be able to use. Sometimes there's a host stamp set in here. Sometimes there's a kit from the kit collection in here. All kinds of goodies. So I like to change out my product bonuses every few months. And I do note them so that you won't get the same one twice in a row. Now, again, this is free gift for my club members after a 6-month commitment. So let me just explain to you a little bit about the commitment. So with Candy's Card Club, it is a subscription. And you subscribe through PayPal. Now, you don't have to use PayPal. It's just a platform that's going to process your payment. You can use a credit card. You can use a debit card. You can use PayPal. But that's a subscription. You have to be subscribed by the 12th of any given month to get that month's packet. Now, this is only $39 for my Card Club members. You can get just a single month, but you're going to pay more. So typically you're going to pay $5 or $6 more, and that is because I reward my club members with the best pricing as well as the opportunity to earn basically free host rewards, free Stampin' rewards, free gifts after a 6-month, six consecutive months of membership. Now, the other thing to remember is you can cancel anytime. You can also pause your subscription anytime. So that's important to know because, first of all, there's no obligation. And the other thing is sometimes life happens and you need to just pause for a while. Sometimes, you have unexpected medical bills or whatever, and you need to cut back. So that's fine. You can do that with there's no penalty for that. The other thing is, if you're considering doing a single month of my Candy's Card Club, you're better off just to go ahead and subscribe because you're going to save money on every single kit. So rather than paying more for a kit, just go ahead and subscribe. If you do it for 1 month or 2 months and then decide, this is a little bit more than I can handle, then that's okay. But my card club is popular. It's very much evolved. This actually began when I was doing an in-person business only. I only had in-person events, and of course then COVID happened and I started doing a lot more online classes. So Candy's Card Club is the easy button. I used to do this as a monthly class, and every month I would get emails from people. I forgot to sign up. Do you have any more kits? I missed the deadline. So this is just the easy button. This way you always know that you have an awesome card kit coming to your mailbox every single month. Now, the subscription deadline is the 12th, and the packets go out on the 17th. Now, sometimes, there's a delay of a day or two if we're waiting on products because of an unavailability situation. But typically they're going to go out the 17th. And again, like if they go out, if the 17th is a Sunday, I'll get into the mailbox to the post office on the 17th, but they're not going to go out until the Monday just because that's the way the mail service runs. So anyway, I hope that you will consider Candy's Card Club. It's super popular. It's fun. I get a lot of great feedback for my projects, and you will see the projects each month. I give you a heads up. I let you see what's coming, and that way you can make a an informed decision about what you would like to do with regard to that month. The other thing I do give my club members is the opportunity to add on the stamps or the bundle or both, one or the other, at cost. So my club members pay just the catalog cost. That means I'm covering the tax and shipping for them, which is really a nice perk. Now, a lot of my club members, they're already demonstrators. So they just love my kits. So they're going to order their own bundle or their own stamps because they're going to use their demonstrator discount. But if you're not a demonstrator, I love to be able to share that opportunity for you to be able to purchase the featured set at cost. So I think that covers everything. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. I thank you so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.